Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a southern fried cabbage recipe for you guys. I think everybody pretty much makes their fried cabbage the same. However, I'm going to show you how I make mine. Alright, so let's get into the video. To start off, we're going to cut up some bacon and fry it. And yes, I'm using kitchen shears to cut up the bacon and drop it directly into the frying pan. In case you have not noticed, I'm definitely the queen of taking shortcuts when it comes to cooking. So once we let that bacon fry for a little bit, we're going to remove it from the grease. And we're going to leave that grease because we're also going to fry our cabbage in there. And then we're going to go ahead and chop up the onion. You can use as little or as much onion as you would like. I'm making a small portion, so I'm only going to use half of that onion. And then I'm going to chop up the cabbage and add that onion to the bacon grease. Saute that for approximately 2 minutes before adding in the cabbage. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and start to add the cabbage. It takes a little while to get the cabbage tender, so this cooking process is going to probably take about 15 to 20 minutes. But we're going to go ahead and season everything. Because it has bacon, you don't need a lot of salt, literally just a tiny pinch of salt, some black pepper, and I like to add paprika for color. Once you've got it well seasoned, go ahead and give it a good mix. Mix well to cover all of the cabbage in that grease and let it cook down and get tender. You'll want to stir constantly throughout this cooking process to make sure that nothing is burning or sticking to the bottom of the pan. So you just stir constantly and allow that cabbage to tenderize as you cook. And what I like to do is add just a handful of kale greens, mostly for color. But it does change the taste a little bit and adds a lot of soul to this dish. Mix that in, give it a good stir, and allow that to cook down with the cabbage. Again, this is probably going to take you about 15 to 20 minutes to cook all the way through and tenderize. So you just want to continue to stir throughout the cooking process, and you'll know when it's tender enough for your liking. And then you can add that bacon back in. Just give it a good mix, stir that bacon in. And then there's the finished product. All of these flavors together are super amazing. You will not be disappointed if you try this recipe. And let me know in the comments how you make your fried cabbage. Is there anything that I did differently that you normally don't do? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you do not have your post notifications turned on, you can do that by clicking the bell at the top right.